In this quick guide, we're going to dive into how to use Deel's payment tracking system. If you're new to Deel or want to make sure you're getting the most out of it, stick around until the end, because I'm going to show you the easiest way to manage your payments, track transactions, and even some bonus tips to make your life easier. Now, if you're not familiar, Deel is an all-in-one platform that helps companies hire remote workers globally, and part of that includes managing payments. Deel's payment tracking system is designed to be intuitive and simple, but can also handle more complex transactions when needed. So let's break it down. When you first log into Deel, you'll land on your dashboard, and the payment tracking system will be in the Payments section. This is where all your current payments, due invoices, and payment history are stored. You can filter by date or status, whether they're pending, completed, or in progress, so you can get a clear picture of your finances. To track payments, start by clicking on any payment listed in the overview. This will give you detailed information about that specific transaction, including the amount, the currency, and the recipient's details. You'll also see any notes or invoices associated with the payment. One of the key features of Deel's payment tracking system is its integration with multiple payment methods. Whether you're paying contractors via bank transfer, crypto, or PayPal, Deel will automatically update the status of the payment so you always know where it stands. No more checking multiple accounts or worrying about missing a payment. What's also great is that Deel automatically sends reminders for any upcoming payments. So if a payment is due in a few days, you'll get notified and you can go ahead and make sure everything's in order ahead of time. For recurring payments, you can set them up to happen automatically, so you don't have to keep track of each individual payment manually. Another valuable feature is Deel's payment reports. If you're managing multiple employees or contractors, you can download a payment report at any time to get a detailed breakdown of all your payments. This is perfect for accounting or auditing purposes, and it gives you complete visibility into your payment history. Now, here's a pro tip. If you want to make your payment tracking even easier, you can set up custom payment labels in Deel. These labels allow you to categorize payments, whether by project, team, or any other metric you want to track. This makes it super simple to see where your money is going and how much is allocated to each part of your business. Now, if you're wondering if Deel's payment tracking system works with international transactions, the answer is yes. Deel supports payments in multiple currencies, and it automatically handles the conversion rate, saving you from the hassle of manual currency conversion. It's a great way to manage cross-border payments without any confusion. For those who like a little extra control, Deel allows you to set up payment approval workflows. You can designate certain team members or managers to approve payments before they go through, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. Finally, before we wrap up, here's something really cool. If you stick with Deel, they offer an extended free trial of their software with exclusive bonuses. Check the link below to get started. It's a great opportunity to dive into Deel's full set of tools and get familiar with how it all works without paying a dime up front. So there you have it. A quick, easy way to get started with Deel's payment tracking system. Whether you're managing one or many remote workers, Deel streamlines your payment process, giving you more time to focus on what really matters. Remember, if you want to try it for free and unlock our exclusive bonuses, make sure to check the first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.